Welcome to our video on Summer Pest Control 101, essential tips for keeping your home and garden pest-free. As the weather gets warmer, pests become more active. But fear not, with a few simple tips and tricks, you can keep your home and garden pest-free all summer long. The first step in keeping pests out of your home is to inspect and seal any potential entry points. Look for cracks and gaps in your doors, windows, and foundation. Use caulking or weather stripping to seal any gaps. Don't forget to check your attic and basement for openings as well. Another way to keep pests out of your home is to store your food properly. Make sure all food is stored in airtight containers. Don't leave food out overnight, and always clean up spills as soon as they happen. Keep your kitchen clean and free of clutter. Now let's move on to pest control in your garden. Use natural remedies like vinegar or neem oil to keep pests away from your plants. Plant herbs like basil, lavender, or mint, which repel biting flies and mosquitoes. Make sure to keep your yard clear of standing water, which can attract insects. There you have it, our top tips for summer pest control. By inspecting and sealing your home, properly storing your food, and using natural remedies in your garden, you can keep your home and garden pest-free all summer long. Thanks for watching.